as we go through this cooking together. Here I have some red chili, Yoruba will call it shombo. So I'm going to be using part of it. Inside there I'm going to be adding, I have here tatashi or red bell. Usually I blend this red chili and red bell together and remove. I don't blend them with tomatoes. So we set aside the red chili and the red bell. So we're going to be blending the tomato. Also, I am not going to make it to be as smooth as the usual tomato you will use. I'm going to make it a little coarse. So we'll start. I'll have to cut it into bits to allow easy blending. I would have used the blender cup of this processor. But because I don't really want it too soft, so I will use this. Part of it I'm going to make coarse and part of it I'm going to blend real soft. And then I'll add just half onion cut into bits. I'm going to blend it together with the tomato. This is a little coarse. Yeah, people, the tomato is already boiling. Then we're going to wait a little for it to boil properly. Then we will sieve out the water. Not that we're going to discard the water, no. We will sieve it and still use it for the rice preparation. Yeah, our tomato has been boiling for some minutes now. So I'm going to be sieving out the water and we will start making the sauce for the Nigerian Jellof rice. So I'm going to be sieving out the excess water from the tomato. I did not boil the red bell and red chili together with this tomato. There's a reason for that, because I love the taste I get when I just boil only the tomato and then fry the red chili and red bell along with the tomato. So I'm still going to use the water, never mind that I sieved it off. I'm still going to use it. So the next is to fry the sauce for the jollof rice. I'm going to add oil. The oil is hot. The next thing I'm going to be adding is salt. The onion. I'll add bay leaf. Don't mind my bay leaf in pieces. We'll add small rosemary leaves. These dry rosemary leaves. I love to get the taste while I'm cooking. I'll add, this is ginger garlic paste, fresh ginger. So right now, I'm going to be adding the tomato paste. This also gives color to your jollof rice. So I love to add, this is just half a tin, the small tin, this is just half of it. I don't really add so much because I have my red chili and the red bell. I have them to add lots of color to my cooking. I will add some spoons of, this is the red bell and red chili. I told you I wasn't going to use all of it. They have been frying, so I'm going to add parts of fresh tomato paste. Remember I told you I wasn't going to use everything. We keep frying. Because I bought the fresh tomato paste, I'm not going to fry it for so long, and I sieve that water, so there's really nothing there to, no need to waste time frying it for it to dry. So at this time, I'm going to add this is the stock from the chicken. This stock from chicken. I already have this stock, so I'm going to be using it. Just add a little as you go. No, this is nice. This is nice. After that, I will still add little mayonnaise. This is what makes my cooking very unique. I use 0 carb mayonnaise. Just a tablespoonful is enough for the quantity of rice I'm going to be making. So the sauce is likely to be much for the rice I'm making, so I'm going to be removing part of it. And if it is necessary, I will still add it, but if it's not necessary, I just keep it for another day. Then I will add the remaining of the stock, or the broth. This is chicken broth, chicken stock, minano okoko, whichever one you call it. And then I add the tomato water we sieved out. Remember, we sieved out the tomato water, so I'm going to be adding it. Then the next thing is to add the rice. So you turn very well. You can see that the color is superb, but this is not the final thing we're going to be doing. We'll add the remaining water from the tomato. That's what we're going to do to cook the rice. Then you turn. Check for pepper and salt and everything. So I'm going to be adding little extra salt. So after the salt, we turn again and we check for salt. I think it's perfect. Remember, this is not the only water in my need. So as the water is going, I'm going to be adding more water. So I like to put foil so that the heat will be retained. Be mindful of the hand, it's quite hot. Then we'll cover. Yeah, people, our Nigerian jollof rice has been cooking for about 10 to 12 minutes, so we are going to be checking it. Ooh, you have to be careful, it's quite hot. We're going to be turning And after that, we'll allow it to stay on low heat for another maybe 2-3 minutes. So we flip over. And so guys, it's been on fire for about 3 minutes, and the reason I left it on fire is for it to burn a little, and that's what gives it that spicy jollof rice aroma that you get. Yep. So we have it right there. Allow it to burn a little, and see how it came out. Very nice. It's not clumpy. It's not clumpy, and it's not too grainy. That's the way I usually make my rice, so that my children will be able to enjoy it. Bye. God bless you. So this is the end product of our party jollof rice.